Mwancho murirerea wigitasania kisi hot na wakirembia muna singincho yogo sanga amonintwe na anene muno kugenderera kuimanya riagasi ni gukorekana korwa sorro kongorwa gusi nja samaritane ni gonkuru kwa nyipto Dennis wasina bwancha ondangeri kuntu ni wontete gukwanira igoro ya county cha gusi county ya Nyamira ni county ya Kisii lakini rero ni wontete guchakira county ya Nyamira asingencho amangana narigiga agendererete. There are some 4 petitioners kura ase county ya Nyamira. The 4 petitioners ni gobara abantu ba Nyamira na ande abaki wechikura ase county ya Nyamira. Now they want the IEBC to dissolve the county government of Nyamira wetera ase 11 allegations which ba raised concern igore county ya Nyamira. Therefore there is an article ambayo imefanya na one of my favorite journalists kwa as one of the media house media group igega Kenya. She has done this an article today and I went through this article, so that's why now she's saying that a group of Nyamira County residents have filed a petition with IEBC seeking the suspension of the devolved unit. The petition, which was received by IEBC on Thursday, that is yesterday, was filed by 4 residents from through Dennis Onyango Advocates. So through Dennis Onyango Advocates, the 4 residents, they petitioned and they want IEBC to dissolve the county government of Nyamira. And they gave 11 reasons why they want the IEBC to dissolve the county government of Nyamira. Therefore, the 11 allegations or reasons why the 4 petitioners wanataka hii county Nyamira iondolewe. But before I get there, today nimefanya kitu. I remember niliongea na nyinyi nikawaambia the MCs from Nyamira County some 3 days ago walikuwa wapi Embu County. Therefore MCA, I don't know the exact number, but the MCs from Nyamira County walienda mpaka Embu kwa sababu gani? To benchmark the Muram roads, how to Muram roads and grave those roads. Yani wakachukua chiparuna chikuve kwa Muram na korosiwa ase county ya Embu vakobi varete county ya Nyamira vachiko koraboigo. So kogenda mpaka Embu korigere benchmarking chiparuna chikuve kwa Muram, you have spent money, funds, resources chabantu ba Nyamira kangu chakora gokorige nteki ngam. Kesa devolution ichaka sahi tobwate 12 years, almost to 13 years since devolution started. Now it means that the county government of Nyamira mbara understand na kichipara chikorosi kuna kubikwa Morom. Story nalengo. Let's go to the petition. The petitioners, Mr. Jeremiah Migosi, Astariko Umariba, Umbati Yunis, and Jared Nyaribo want a county government suspended over 11 issues that they term as grave concern. I want to quote their statements. those petitioners, our clients are residents of Nyamira County. They wish to notify you of their intention to collect signatures to petition for the suspension of the county government of Nyamira pursuant to Article 192 1B as read together with Section 123 of County Government Act number 17 of 2012. And the petition reads, okay, yeah. So they have referred to the Constitution of 2010, Kenyan Constitution, according to Article 192, Section 1B, and with the Section 123 of County Government Act number 17 of 2012. Now, the petitioners wanasema, they claim that the devolved unit has engaged in several instances of actions that are deemed to be against the common needs and interest of the registered voters of Nyamira County. The claim service delivery to the county government of Nyamira has been compromised owing to the mistreatment of employees. Now, let me quote their statement. The employees are not paid on time, thus affecting their morale. I think this is the reason, number one, why the 4 petitioners, they want the county government of Nyamira to be dissolved or suspended. Okay? Now, here, they gave 11 issues or reasons why they want the IEBC to dissolve or suspend the county government of Nyamira. One reason is that the employees are not paid on time, thus affecting their morale. They cannot complain as they live in fear of being victimized if they do so. That's the petitioners. That's the statement of petitioners. Now, that's reason number one. Reason number two, they further claim that the governor, Amos Nyaribo, has been paying himself a hefty illegal monthly salary, which amounts to Kenyan shillings 6.5 million. Yani, governor amejiripa, I don't know Kiswahili. Governor amejilipa mshahara wake, anajiripa 6.5 million. On this, Governor Nyaribo had earlier said that the amount emanated from some areas. Now, that is reason number two. Yeah, number two. Reason number one, the government hailipi pesa on time. Two, Governor Nyaribo anajiripa mshahara 6.5 million. Akiulizwa anasema ni arrears. Akiwa deputy governor. So the arrears anasema, he says that the money he was never paid for the entire period when he served as a deputy governor. Wow. Number three, incompetence and poor management of the county, failure to pay casual workers their wages on time, lack of basic equipment, drug and other basic amenities in hospitals, lack of water supply and cleaning of markets, nepotism in employment, and corruption are some of the other issues the petitioners have listed as warranting the suspension of the county government of Nyamira. There is a serious concern here. Yani, Governor we county Nyamira, when you were the deputy governor, he was the deputy governor of the late Nyagarama. So you mean Nyagarama hakuwa na kulipa pesa, you decide to pay yourself the, what do you want to say, arrears of you pay to yourself 6.5 million. I don't know how this works, if the MCAs are oversighting this governor. I'm not concerned, but what I want to inform you is that the residents of Nyamira, now they want the IEBC to suspend or dissolve the county government of Nyamira due to the above reasons or issues I've mentioned above. And now I want to continue. Under corruption, the petitioners said creating and allocating Kenyan shillings 7.7 million to a phony disability board which does not exist. What? I want to repeat this statement. The petitioners who want the county government of Nyamira to be dissolved or suspended, they are saying that under corruption, creating and allocating Kenyan shillings 7.7 million to a phony disability board which does not exist. So the board doesn't exist. Money has been budgeted for and appropriated for the corruption of Riamugaka Bridge in Mukeira, but no sign of construction works on site several months later. So they allocated some money for the construction of Mukeira Bridge, Riamugaka Bridge in Mukeira, but hawajafanya kitu. A number of stalled projects and white elephants, including Nyamusi Hospital, I think I know here, which was built by the previous governor, but has failed to equip, and the governor's residents are some of the allegations. In fact, Nyagarama, who is the late, started some projects in Nyamira County, but up to date is almost 7 years or 5 years. Let's say 5 years, but nothing has been done. Let's say 4 years at least 4 years. Lakini since the Nyaribo took over, those projects are stalled. Other issues are adverse and damning auditors' control of budget reports for the financial year 2023-2024, and they failed to conduct public participation before initiating any projects, and initiating projects on whims, which projects are rarely ever completed anyway. Let me quote some words here. The foregoing grievances and many improprieties and many more improprieties meet the threshold of exceptional circumstances as contemplated in the referred provisions of the Constitution at Article 192 and Section 123 of the statutes. That is the petitioner, one of the petitioners noted on that. The governance incompetence, they said, is summarized by an embarrassing request that he made to President William Ruto when he toured Nyamira County recently, more specifically at Keroka Hospital, mahali watoto wanapatiwa. Let me quote again some words of the petitioners. When he was given the rare opportunity to speak at a presidential event and make any request on behalf of the people of Nyamira County, the governor requested the president to build morgue, a kitchen, and a perimeter wall. That is the words of a petition of the petitioners. The petitioners alleged that the object incompetence and excesses by the executive branch of the county government have remained unchecked and in fact condoned by the assembly owing to both the utter incompetence of the ward representatives, those are MCs, and bravery of the ward represented by the governor. Those are the words I'm quoting from the petitioners. Now, let me quote Let me quote the words of the advocate, that is Dennis Onyango, advocates. Our clients therefore wish to initiate the process of collecting signatures as required per section 123 2 of the County Governments Act as the act to petition His Excellency the President to suspend the county government. No, they want a president to suspend the county government of Nyamira so that the people of Nyamira County can have another chance to remedy. To remedy. Or to do another. I want to check to remedy the cruel. Let me use some words. The county government of Nyamira. Kindly, therefore, advise us on the legal requirements and procedures. Now, those are the requests from the advocate. They are requesting the IPC now to guide them as they want to dissolve the county government of Nyamira. Kindly, therefore, advise us on the legal requirements and procedures to undertake the process of signature collection to facilitate the petition under Article 192 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010 and the County Government Act, that is number 17 of 2012. Now, when the Gen Zs walienda kwa Nyaribo, the Nyaribo denied claims of corruption and nepotism in his administration. Allegations of all officers recruited being relatives of the county of Governor Nyaribo are false. Recruitment is done by County Government Public Service Board and meets all the legal requirements, including regional balance, age, gender, minority, experience, people with disability, PWD. That is Nyaribo, who said when the Gen Zs walienda kumsalimia. I think on the alleged misappropriation of funds, Mr. Nyaribo referred to the Auditor General Report of 2022-2023 financial year, which the Gen Zs had cited to crucify him. He explained that the malicious politicians are out to spread disinformation and set up his administration against the people. Those are the words of Nyaribo, the governor of Nyamira. But according to these 4 petitioners, who are the residents of Nyamira, as they want the county government of Nyamira to be dissolved or suspended, giving out the 11 reasons why they want the county government of Nyamira to be dissolved or suspended. Now I'm here to check on this. But what I want us to understand, after this one, kesho Mambi, I'm doing Yakisi County. So we want to check on these governments, county governments, chagusi ngichi wakora. Okay? Ukwani na mangana county government of Nyamira, I think is upon to the IEBC now. Pare na machieve, I mean the legal procedure what way if the president can suspend or dissolve the county government of Nyamira, egereba akachikurabuya afresh, so that wanyole leaders waripatageti. But again, I want to concur with the petitioners. The petitioners, what I want to tell you is this: keep checking on these governments of Nyamira. Check on this government. Musiogope. When the MCs went to when the MCs went to where? I'm sorry. When the MCs went to the Meru County, not Meru but Embu County, to benchmark Muram roads on how they are done, I think they spend money, county government's funds, a lot of money was used here. Niliona a certain MCA from Nyamira County responded on my post concerning the MCAs of Nyamira County went to Meru County, Embu County to benchmark Muram roads. The MCAs accused me as a journalist that he wonder how some journalists are operating. But I want to promise you this. I'm going to get the full report. Walitumia pesa ngapi kwenda Embu County, walifanya nini, so that watu wetu wafunguke macho. Kwa hii generation, this era we are, watu si wajinga. Just check on, angalia hata MCA akifanya barabara, ask him pesa ni ngapi zilipeanwa kwa hii barabara, give us the documents. Barabara ikifanywa, give us reports, pesa ngapi imetumika. Mwate beta makaraba tiabe kwa ipare yiga, makaraba tiarenga abekire ipara ne kore standard, ipara ne rosiri ikaba abandi bakubeka moram para tiri kutachiru. Na ningi some parts of why is this? Was it Virongo ward? Nilikuwa not Virongo, but I don't notice what sijui ni kama nyane the exact ward ine kiko kwa tinsa mutanya ribari masaba. Na ningi ase ward yiga pare bekiro moram lakini teta chiri wani bekiro moram mubata magena akwanda negari at a low speed turi kumnya kigari ngora yani para ukaibwate bitongo lakini no moram mubekire tutachiri. We want people overcheck economic projects chiko korwase chinsa mochino, either the county government is doing that project, national government or any leader. Check pare kuru up to the standard, a project kuru up to the standard. Okay, that's all what we want. Sawa. I'm not fighting any leadership, and I'm not interested to fight any leadership Gusii, but I want to shed some light to the people of Gusii region. We gora maiso bamanyenga banta baturire mono. If you remember nkine tinina karore karabantu seitari ekarabari ngikore machipara bari wakarambe abantu bebinyoro bacha namakombe bari mepare iga namakombe, lakini imyake people pay tax. Anyway, nchenguruko ni mtu Dennis gosina boncho ndangiri kuntu. See you as a video ko bwatia neyega ekoro kwa Kisii Hot TV. Bye bye.